Hey everybody, it's me, Chris Christopherson. That's me, right there. I thought I'd give a go at making some gelatin molds today. I found this called Indestructible by Marchon. So just going to give that a go. I've gone out and got myself the ingredients, got myself honey, glycerin, gelatin, water's in the tap. So I'm going to give it a go. Please join me. Okay, I've nipped down local shops, got myself some gelatin, got myself some honey, and some glycerin. £2.89 for the lot. It's 2 parts glycerin and gelatin to 1 part honey and water. So this tiny little bottle of glycerin is like what, 38 milliliters. So I'm not gonna be able to make a huge amount today. It's just to test it out. I'm probably gonna have a look online later and just see if there's anywhere cheaper. Get it in large quantities online. Okay, so I'm going to pour in the glycerin into one of my 3 mugs here, so I can have a kind of a gauge of, if this is 30 milliliters, I need a total of, what's that, 19 milliliters of honey, 19 milliliters of water, very roughly. Okay, so that'd be 2 to 1 part of each, and then again, 38 milliliters of this as well, an equal amount to the glycerin. Okay, so I'm just going to get this measured out and we'll do the next bit. Okay, so I've got my glycerin in this little mug here, very sticky stuff. I've got my gelatin crystals in there, ready to go, and I've just poured some warm water into here and some honey. And I've had to just kind of guesstimate it because, I'm a dude, right? So we don't measure anything, we just do it. We don't plan it, we just do it. So I'm trying to plan it so I've got, equal amount of water to honey, which will then total the same amount as I have of glycerin. Yeah. So that would then equals 1 part honey to 1 part water, 2 parts glycerin, and then finally add the 2 parts of gelatin. And I'm just going to mix this up and I'll join you in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to add the warm water and honey into the glycerin. Yep, give that a little mix up. And I'm told by the Indestructible, thanks to Marchon there, to then, once it's had a good old mix up, to add in the gelatin granules. In there you go. Okay, we give that a bit of a mix up. Should be kind of cloudy, obviously honeyish coloured substance. Give it a tidgy widgy little wedge. Give a tidgy widgy little stir there until it's all dissolved. Obviously the warm water just speeds that up a bit. And I've also got myself just a little plastic container just to try this out in. I've heard this stuff kind of sets reasonably, not solid, but firm enough so that if you put it into like a glass container, you could just kind of pull it, squeeze it, prod it, whatever, out of the glass container. I've got a plastic one because I don't believe that entirely to be true. So I'm just going to pour that in. Ooh, that's okay, that's more than I thought. That's more than I thought. But look at that. Oh, oh, it's not need to measure anything. Not when you're a dude. Oh yeah, there we go. That's superb. Alright, now we're going to bang it into the fridge, let it cool. Should take 3-4 hours, something like that, I believe. And then we'll be able to see how it's done. Okay, so I've missed a pretty important bit out. Once I added the gelatin crystals, I need to bang it in the microwave for 20 seconds, make sure that these granules all dissolved. I checked in the fridge and there was just a big lump of gelatin at the bottom. So if you're going to do this, don't do like I did. Make sure you bang it in the microwave 20 seconds, give it a good stir, don't let it boil. I'm going to try this again. Okay, well the gel settled. It didn't come out anywhere near as easy as I thought. I had to really jam my fingers in, jam my spoon in. Maybe it's the type of plastic container I've used. Maybe I got the mix wrong. Who knows? But yeah, I'd maybe try this in maybe some glass or ceramic next time. If any of you guys Try it. Let me know. But that's it. That's the gelatin mold stuff. That's a little nugget right there. To reuse this, just bang it in the microwave, 20 seconds, stir it up, 20 seconds, stir it up, until it's back to liquid form, and then you just pour it into whatever you want. So, I'll probably put another video up when I'm ready to do that. Anyhow, if you try it, let me know how it goes. Cheers.